Hello, welcome. October market update. Tony Marlette Jr. here at Brookside Tax and Financial Group. Remember, if you call our office or go online and schedule a meeting, your consultation with us will be complimentary, and you'll also get to pick up a copy of one of our books on financial and estate planning as well if you reference this video. So in September, all the major market indexes were positive. That is on the stock side with the S&P, the Dow, the Russell, and the NASDAQ, and on the bond side as well with the Barclays Aggregate Bond Index. No surprise here in September, as the Fed did end up dropping interest rates. There were some calls for 25 basis points. There were some calls late for 75 basis points. They took the 50-point basis drop, or 0.5%, and then they also hinted at more to come later this year. It does remain to be seen, though, if a jobs market will actually show signs of a slowing economy. Remember, we've talked before about how jobs market on paper is one thing versus what it's actually showing as another. The biggest potential change, or something that could add to a more volatile market, would be the softer than expected jobs report, or an earnings report that shows the reversal of some trends. Speaking of some trends, short-term treasuries are down and dividend yields on stocks are up. This is not very surprising, as we anticipated this, albeit it's been very light. Since interest rates have dropped, seems as if investors are starting to get out of cash instruments that they had gone so heavy into when rates were rising. Another trend since July, the S&P 500 has been flat. So the Magnificent Seven that's been dominating over the last couple of years has actually been negative, and the other 493 have been positive. So increasing earnings from the 493 other stocks could be a sign that a catalyst is here for more broad-based market performance. As we inch closer to the election, it's worth a reminder that elections and presidential candidates are almost always polarizing. It's a misnomer that long-term damage is going to come based on the outcome of one presidential election, that one person is going to cause all this doom and gloom one way or another. That said, short-term volatility is very real. We have geopolitical risks and all the things that we typically discuss in these videos that are going to add to all that potential for short-term volatility. Just remember, when conditions change, it's not necessarily time for your strategy to change. A portfolio review is always a good idea, and it's worth examining, but we encourage you to stick to your goals, your strategy, and your time frame to achieve your financial goals, and your portfolio should reinforce that. If you'd like to review with us, feel free to do so. You can go online, stop in, or give us a call. You can also check us out on our YouTube channel and our Facebook page as well. From all of us at Brookside, we thank you for working with us, and we continue to look forward to working with you.